Greetings, my beautiful lovelies. It's Emmy. How are you? It's great to see you, and welcome back to my car. Today's video is sponsored by Native, the makers of paraben-free, aluminum-free, cruelty-free, and vegan deodorants. My husband has been using Native for years now, and it works great. Even after exercise, he still smells great. And Native gives 72-hour protection even after exercise, and is made with familiar ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter. Now, what I really like is that Native has this great plastic-free packaging. This is plastic-free packaging 2.0. It is an improvement to the last packaging. In fact, 92% of plastic-free users prefer this packaging, including my husband, to the old one. The way it works is you pull this top off, push it up like this, dispense it onto your skin. Native's formula goes on super smooth. It smells great. Oh, it reminds me of my husband. It smells clean and fresh, and it dries quickly. Tap it to push the deodorant down and put the lid back on. When you buy plastic free, you're saving 37 grams of single-use plastic from going into the landfill. Native is committed to sourcing paper from responsibly managed forests, and they are a proud partner with 1% for the planet, donating 1% of plastic-free sales to environmental nonprofits. And the plastic-free packaging contains the same deodorant formula. And Native sent me this one, and this one's called Cotton and Lily. And this one smells lovely. It reminds me of babies. Oh, clean, fresh babies. So there are lots of scents to choose from, including sensitive scents and limited edition. Right now they have an autumnal line called Cabin Collection. 3 plastic-free deodorants would be $39, but if you use my code EMMY8, you can receive them for $26, which is 33% off. You can use the same code to receive 20% off Native's body washes and toothpaste. Big thanks to Native for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to make better videos for all of you. Today I'm going to be tasting an adult Happy Meal. Have you ever even heard of such a thing? This doesn't come with any alcoholic drinks or anything, but this is a collaboration between McDonald's and Cactus Plant Flea Market to bring you this Happy Meal. It is limited edition, and it is in a larger box, and it contains a toy, which I am stoked about, and you can get the Big Mac version or the 10-piece chicken McNugget. I went for the Big Mac. So we have this, and we have the regular Happy Meal, which is of course made for children, for a little side-by-side comparison. I'm having a little bit of a flashback here. I just did a Happy Meal taste test comparison with Mr. Charlie's. If you missed that, I will put a link down below. That is the Unhappy Meal, which is a vegan version of a Happy Meal. But if you haven't seen that, I'll put a link to it down below. Now, I have to say, the thing that I'm most excited about this Happy Meal, this adult Happy Meal, is that it includes a toy, and the toy is a retro toy. Now, you can either get Hamburglar, Grimace, Birdie, or the Cactus Plant little guy. And I really want Hamburglar or Grimace. I have really fond memories of going to McDonald's as a little tyke before my brother was born. And in the play area, they had a Grimace that looked like a cage, and you can go inside Grimace and it would bounce around. And I remember finding it so striking, kind of creepy and strange, and just Grimace was just strange. He was this purple kind of gumdrop figure. And Hamburglar kind of scared me too, because he was like a crook, like he would steal your hamburgers. But I remember they had this little play area under this kind of plastic, I think, or fiberglass apple tree. Distinct memories of those things. So let's get to it. Let's see what kind of toy I got. Okay. Okay, it's a surprise. I love that. Okay, let me show you what's inside. It's a surprise. You don't know what you got. Okay, we'll do that at the end. But we have ourselves a full-size fry in there. Medium fry. And our Big Mac. Oh my gosh, I love me a Big Mac. Let's see how this is. Hello. If you've never had a Big Mac before, it's composed of 3 pieces of bread. 1 top piece and 2 bottom pieces. You got some toastedness. You got a kind of sad looking meaty patty. Got some pickles that fell off. Put those back. Patty. Special sauce. More pickles. Lettuce, then it's repeated down below with some cheese, I believe. Let's have a fry. I like McDonald's fries quite a bit, but they have to be freshly fried. When they're just even minutes old, they become quite sad. A little bit spongy. These could be warmer. Look at this. let us tuck into this. Oh boy, where are my napkins? They did give me napkins, which is nice. All right, all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickle, onions on a sesame bun. Itadakimasu. Mm. 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 Big Macs are so delicious. This is what my dad used to get when we go to McDonald's, a Big Mac. The meat is very thin. It's really not about the meat though. It's a combination of the special sauce, which is a Thousand Island dressing, which has some relish in it, I believe ketchup and mayo. Reconstituted dehydrated onions is the signature flavor for me for McDonald's style hamburgers. And that combination with the sauce, with a squishy bun that's quite sweet, with the patties that don't taste like much, and the crunch of the shredded lettuce, it is so good. Love the Big Mac. So let's compare that with the kids' Happy Meal. That's pretty cute, right? We got the mini kids version of the fries, very tiny. I got the hamburger because that's what I got growing up, classic. And I got a yellow car from the Cars movie. Must be coming out with a new one. Vroom vroom. And I got apple slices because that's what my kiddos get. And I also got a chocolate milk because that's what my kiddos also get too. I also got a medium Coke with my adult Happy Meal. Ah! That's not Coke! They gave me root beer. Oh. I'm so sad. I don't like root beer. I don't think that's ever happened to me. I'm crushed. Oh, okay, let's have an apple slice. Apple slice. A little bit watery, not too mealy though. Cored, peeled. As a kid, I did not like brown apples, and these are not brown. These are probably been soaked in acidulated water so that they don't do that. Thank you. Fries, same fries. I had to set up a little bit. These have been sitting a bit, so nah, these could be better. Hamburger, oh my gosh. This takes me back. This is what I got as a kid. This is your bun here, and your meat patty, and you've got your dehydrated onions right on the top. Classic. Itadakimasu. Napkin, help. My pickle came out all in that bite. Go back in there, be friends. I love this combination. It's super, super simple. It's definitely not about the meat patty. It's a combination of, again, those signature reconstituted dehydrated onions, a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, one single pickle slice. I know it seems paltry, but it's just enough. Very, very thin patty, and a squishy, slightly sweet toasted bun. Good. I do have to say, in comparison to the Big Mac, this seems a little bit dry. But something about that flavor combination elicits like fond childhood memories. I've shared the story a lot, but when I was pregnant with my first kiddo, every Friday I rode my bicycle to McDonald's in Japan so I could get one of these hamburgers because it just brought me so much comfort and just joy. Of the two, definitely prefer the Big Mac. I do appreciate this really, really cute box. The packaging of everything in there very neatly. Let's see which toy we got. Please be Grimace, or please be Hamburger. Don't be the cactus plant guy. Oh, it ripped. It was perforated. What did I get? What did I get? Oh my gosh. I totally struck out. Not only did I get the cactus plant guy, I got a root beer. Oh, that sort of just sums it up right there, that expression. Alrighty, my lovelies, there you have it. That is the Cactus Plant Flea Market Adult Happy Meal. Absolutely delicious, super fun, great packaging, great styling, and fun, significant toy. Although this is not the one I wanted, but that's sometimes how life works, right? I'm going to finish up and I'm going to go back and request that they make this into a Coke instead of a root beer. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media, like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo. Take care. Bye! Is there any burp? There's no burp. There's no gas because I didn't drink any soda. Just kidding.